Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to make a snack that I've named just for Felix.
For me?
For you.
What, Heather, what did you name it?
I have named it the Felix Field Mix, just for you.
Oh, Heather, that is so nice.
Well, I decided to take some of your favorite things.
Like
and
what?
Sunflower seeds.
Yeah.
Really good for you.
How did you know I like those?
Oh, I just could read your mind. I just know. Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Perfect. And peanuts.
Yeah, I do like peanuts,
Yeah.
yes.
And you don't have to use peanuts. You can use walnuts or pecans or almonds, whatever you have.
Okay.
And some raisins.
I love raisins.
I do too.
Yeah.
And what I really like sometimes when I make this, instead of raisins, I'll use dried cranberries. They're called craisins.
Oh.
Very nice.
Raisins.
And I'm going to add in some pretzel sticks.
Yeah, those are good too.
They are good.
Yeah.
You have sweet, salty, and chocolate, and it's crunchy. It's the perfect snack.
Good. Yeah.
I think you'll like it.
So how do we make this?
It's easy. There's no wrong way to do it.
Okay, that's good.
It's a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Yeah.
And what's nice about this is you can make a small amount, or you can pour all this into a large container and take it camping or to the park. It's portable. You can take it anywhere.
Oh, yeah. I like to go to the park.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah.
Well, you could take this with you.
Yeah.
So I'm adding some sunflower seeds
Okay.
and some raisins
Oh, yeah.
and some chocolate chips.
Oh, yeah,
And I try to use equal parts of each one.
Yeah.
Except for chocolate.
Yeah,
I usually will dump the whole thing in.
That looks good. Yeah,
It does.
Put more chocolate. Yeah.
I'm going to.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
A little bit more just for you.
Yeah, oh, thanks.
And some peanuts.
Okay.
And last, pretzel sticks.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can leave them whole or you can break them up.
Oh, yeah.
It's up to you.
Okay. Yeah, I think I want to break them so I don't choke.
You're right. And it's kind of fun, actually.
Yeah. Breaking and smashing them. Yeah.
So it's perfect. That's all there is to it.
That's it.
Easy.
Oh, so Heather,
What?
can I eat them now?
You can. I'm mixing it up
Okay.
and
Oh, yeah.
it's all yours.
Here I go. That is good.
I'm so glad you like Felix Field Mix.
Yeah, Felix Field Mix.
Yeah. It's perfect.